That's gonna leave a mark. Dude. My fucking foot folded in like that. Oh. Yeah. I could walk on it, it doesn't hurt, so I think I'll be alright.
What's going on, guys? As you could see, I had rolled my ankle at the very end of the trail and it was super annoying. So sorry for the bad words, but anyways, welcome back to the channel. Today's ride was a good one, minus the little small baby injury at the bottom. I came out to Raging River mountain bike trails because this is by far my favorite lap to do here, is to go from Executive Decision to KRAUS'D to Poppin Tops and Flow State, and that to me is like the best flow and a little bit of technical stuff and speed at this place. There's a lot more technical trails here like PT and Reverence and stuff. Haven't really done those. I will do them soon, but I just wanted to get a quick morning ride and get some flow and speed down these trails, so it was a perfect lap. So yeah, dropping into Executive Decision. It's really fun flow trail, mellow tables. It just lets you cruise through, keep your speed up, and I feel like it's a perfect trail for working on your pumping, to just keep speed, maintain speed throughout the trail. It's really good for that. And then after the second section of this flow trail, it turns into like an intermediate technical trail called KRAUS'D, and definitely steps up the challenge. It's got some technical downhill sections, more chunky, and just enough, just enough difficulty to keep it interesting. But it's like really satisfying when you choose your lines carefully and you work your way through it. And then I climbed back up Raging Tiger, but you got to be careful because that's a two-way trail, so make sure you yell out "rider" or something when you're going around blind corners, because there's plenty of those. But yeah, and then I went to Poppin Tops. Man, Poppin Tops, that one was a burner. It was running fast today. It was good dirt. I feel like my cornering was a little bit better, and I actually caught up to like a few people I didn't think I was gonna catch, so I just pulled over to the side and gave them a minute or two, and then I went back down. But other than that, it was a really good day. But yeah, I just want to wrap up this voiceover so you guys could watch the video without me talking over it. I just wanted to say again, thank you guys. Hitting 1,000 subscribers is like unreal to me, and I couldn't have done it without everybody that subbed. All you guys' support is amazing. So stay tuned for more rides, more trails, and more good times. Thank you guys.
Alright. We're not doing PT, we're doing Raging Tiger back to the top so that we could do Poppin Tops all the way down. reaching out to him. God damn it. Alright, here we go. Bro. Whoa. Giant holes right there. Ooh. Ooh. All right. Really soft right there.